Aloha guys, I'm Steve and you're watching Maui Travel Videos. Hey guys, oh gosh, I have a lot to tell you. But first of all, Patricia and I are fine. We lost everything. We lost our condo apartment building, all the contents, lost my car. Long story, we just barely survived. But anyway, we are here at the old Kaanapali Beach Hotel. We have a room. You know, I'm not really sure what all to tell you. I lost everything, including the computer. So now I've got a laptop. I'm going to get some videos back up, start talking about this island, showing you what it's like. But yeah, we lost everything, but we're alive. I'm shooting it myself. I just sent Patricia back to Thailand for a little bit. She just needed to do a little reset. Let her family know that she's okay, and we've been through a lot. Now I want to show you some video that I actually captured not too long ago, just driving down Highway 30, Hono-Api'ilani Highway, just to show you some of the devastation. Let me show you that right now. Kind of as a side note, Patricia and I got separated. Kind of a big long story that maybe I'll share with you some other time. It was quite an evening there. But we got out okay, and we got separated. And I was at Maalaea Harbor for about 30 hours or so. I had lost track of Patricia and ended up being on ABC News, ABC World News Tonight. I was on CNN, CBS, all the little measly hair that I have left. So we did get reunited and spent about 5 nights sleeping in somebody's car. We didn't know whose car it was at the time at Maalaea Harbor before we could get back in. Here's a picture that was taken of me. I was probably the last person to leave Lahaina town. It was taken from a helicopter without my permission, and it made all the news networks. So anyway, there I am with the total sum of our possessions, a small little bag, and I have no idea why I picked up a yoga mat. Anyway, there I am. We did have some shelters, and Patricia and I took a look at this shelter right here and then decided just to sleep in the car at Maalaea, which we did, like I said, for several nights before we could get back in. Just didn't look like something we wanted to do, so we gave up our spot for someone else. I am waiting to be able to re-enter the burn zone, which was 5 square miles. But anyway, I just wanted to get back to you. Thank you so much. I cannot tell you how much we appreciate all of you, the kind things, the blessings, the prayers. We are alive. And I'm staying, like I said, in a room here at the Kaanapali Beach Hotel, the new outrigger, and I am working as the security officer. So anyway, that's about it to catch you up. I'll be posting more videos real soon, I promise, because I want to catch you up. I think the next one I'm going to do is maybe talk about what all we lost. We lost everything. I mean, all the snorkel trips, all the whale watch boats, the dinner cruises, all of the harbor is gone. You know, down the hatch, the Wharf Cinema Center. I mean, just think of that whole front street is leveled. So anyway, Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for your support. Thanks for your love. And I will be back to you. I promise. I'll be back. I've got a new laptop. I got my camera going here, a kind of a semi microphone. But anyway, thank you very much. We love you guys. Thanks for all your well wishes again. And I'll see you real soon. I promise. Thank you.
Bring some friends along, we'll keep you company.